This video walks you through the correct way to use the Trip Machine Leather Care Kit. Leather does not need constant attention, but when it does, it deserves to be done properly. Now this is the most effective leather care ever, and we'll take you through every step today. Now first up, we have the brush, which is used to remove dry dirt. The leather cleaner is used to lift grime from the surface of the leather. The leather conditioner nourishes the leather, and the cleaning cloths, they're used for cleaning, conditioning and buffing the leather. Now these are my Escape riding sneakers, and I've been using them for the last 2 months on and off the motorcycle. As you can see, they are long overdue for a cleaning session. Now to start off with this process, we'll remove the laces first. Now we'll use the brush first to loosen dust, dirt and grime from the leather surface. Now this brush has been designed in such a way that it doesn't hurt the leather even if you have to apply a little bit of pressure. It ensures that the grain of the leather is preserved, but the grit is removed. The loose dirt is off of this boot, and now it's pretty much ready to be clean. Now I'm taking my time with this process because this sneaker has seen a lot of trails and pebbles. This is just going to ensure that my next step is easier. Now just for good measure, I'm also going to brush off the laces to get rid of any loose dirt or stones that might be stuck in these. Now we'll proceed to the next step, where we'll be using the leather cleaner. We'll also be needing one of the 2 provided cleaning cloths. Now if you look at this cleaning cloth, it has 2 kinds of surfaces on 2 sides. One is a smooth side and the other is a textured side. Now for this step, we'll be using the textured side of the cloth. We'll start off by applying 4 to 5 sprays of the leather cleaner onto the cleaning cloth. It is very important that you spray the cleaner on the cloth and not onto the shoe directly. Once that is done, we'll proceed to clean the shoe. We'll start with cleaning the tongue and make our way down. Now for most stains, a gentle amount of pressure is fine, but if there's a tough stain like this one right here, it's okay to apply a little bit more pressure. Now once the cloth has dried out, we can reapply the cleaner. If you want to, you can also use a clean side of the cloth and get to the insides of the boot gently. Now once the main parts of the shoe are cleaned, we also need to make sure that the more intricate areas like the welt and the seams are also cleaned well. The laces can also be cleaned with the cleaner and the cloth. Now the cleaning part is mostly done, but before we proceed to the next step, we need to give this 10 to 15 minutes for the cleaner to dry out. Alright, now you're back, and I think the cleaner has completely dried out. It's important for you to wait, and if you do feel that there's a damp feeling in the leather, let it sit for a little bit more time until you go on to the next step. Now for the next step, we'll be using the leather conditioner. Now this leather conditioner nourishes the leather and replenishes all the natural oils present in it. For this step, we'll be using the soft side of the cleaning cloth. We're going to take a little bit of the leather conditioner and gently spread it throughout the cloth. This is just to ensure that there's no uneven marks or creases. Now for conditioning it, we'll apply it on the shoe in a gentle circular manner. We'll keep on reapplying the conditioner whenever it dries out. Now this shoe is almost done and we'll move on to the next one. Now that this step is done, we'll let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that the conditioner settles in properly. Now you'll see your shoes come back to life, nourished and protected. Now around 10 to 15 minutes has passed and the conditioner has now properly settled in. And for the final step, we're going to use the smooth side of the cloth again and buff these shoes. This brings out depth, texture and the natural sheen of the leather. Now for this step, we're again going to use the smooth side of the cloth and lightly buff the shoe. We just need to gently go over all the surfaces and make sure that there's an even finish all throughout. You can already see that the leather's shine is coming back. And that's it. Leather care does not need to be complicated. With a little bit of time and the right method, your leather will age better and last longer. And this is how you use the Trip Machine Leather Care Kit.